How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to show y'all my NORDIC WARE cake pan collection. I'm just getting started. So, let me show you what I've been using. I bought this maybe 3 or 4 years ago. It still looks new. It's nice, sturdy, cast aluminum, I think. And it's heavy. It feels like a cast iron skillet. It's nice and heavy. So, I'm going to start my baking again. Okay, this is one that I ordered from Amazon, and it came yesterday or 2 days ago. Yesterday. Okay, I like this design. Look at that. And this holds 10 cups of cake batter. So you have a nice big cake. Okay, here's one. I've had my eye on this one for quite a while. This came yesterday. Look at that. It's called the Bavaria pan. And this is the star pan. All by NORDIC WARE. It's that same heavy cast aluminum. And let me show you what I use so the cakes will release. I use Baker's Joy, y'all. I know it works. This has this is the baking spray with the flour. So what I do is spray the pan good. This is the one I've been using. Cakes always release. When I use this, take a pastry brush and then just make sure nothing is puddling down in here. Make sure the center core is greased well. My cakes always release. I bake the cake, let it sit for about 10 minutes on the counter, then it's going to release. And you'll have all these nice and sharp edges. Some of y'all have seen my bundt cakes. So, I just want to show y'all my collection. I'm just getting started. There's a square one with intricate designs on it, but it's in the square shape and it has the hole in the middle. I got my eye on that one next. Okay. I just want to show y'all what I've been up to. Okay. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye.